My name is Francimilena Beltrán. My favorite meal. In department of Guaviare, we don't have a shopping center. That's why I travel to Villavicencio when a new or want to shop. My favorite shopping center is the Viva. It is a very large shopping center. It has several access, entrance, elevator, and escalator that make it easier to move it around the place. There I find a clothing and footwear store for women, men, and children. I like the Belex their store and the Adriana Novoa boutique to buy me clothes. I visit the Bossy, Hush Puppies and Adidas shoe store to buy the family's shoes because they are of very good quality. There are also toy stores and again all where children and parents have fun. There is the Catronics electric stores, with are fine, very good computers and their accessories. There are also several boot stores, but I like to visit Panamericana for children's books. The shopping center has areas with benches to rest, coffee shop and food stall, and if I need money, there are also ATM machines from all the banks. My family likes to see movie premieres and the cinema in this mall because of its sound and image.